Welcome again to another episode of the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we'll be speaking about the impact of 5G on the logistics industry and how it advances connectivity and efficiency in parallel. 5G is playing an increasingly significant role in logistics, where data transfer speed and security are crucial. With faster, more reliable connectivity, logistics systems are becoming more efficient and more automated. Supply chains can now handle larger amounts of data in real time, allowing for quicker decision making. Connected vehicles, including autonomous trucks and delivery drones, are becoming integral to logistics operations as 5G enables seamless communication across the supply chain. This allows vehicles to interact with each other, warehouse systems, and control centers with minimal delay. This ability to quickly and accurately transfer information reduces downtime, improves delivery accuracy, and enhances route planning. Maintenance predictions also benefit from this technology, allowing for proactive fleet management. And as 5G networks continue to expand, these changes will become even more widespread in the logistics industry. So let's take a little bit deeper dive into the role of 5G in enhancing supply chain automation. This real-time connectivity that 5G provides allows vehicles, drones, autonomous vehicles, and warehouse systems to communicate virtually instantly with the head-end control centers. This connectivity helps optimize routes and reduce delays, and enhance accuracy. Connected vehicles, such as trucks and delivery vans, can now share data with warehouses to ensure that shipments are tracked and managed efficiently. Autonomous vehicles also benefit significantly from 5G's low latency, allowing them to navigate complex environments with very high precision. These vehicles do rely on nearly constant communication with their surroundings, including traffic systems and other vehicles, of course. 5G also supports predictive maintenance by monitoring the condition of these vehicles in real time, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns. So by using this data-driven approach, logistics companies can avoid costly disruptions and extend the operational life of their fleets. The rapid speed and reliability of 5G data transmission is, in fact, transforming logistics performance, making supply chains more efficient and responsive than ever. Now, several companies are already leveraging 5G in their logistics operations to enhance efficiency and stay competitive. Firms like DHL, Maersk, and Swoop Aero are leading the way. Connected vehicles, including autonomous trucks, are being tested for their ability to reduce human error, cut down on accidents, and optimize fuel efficiency. These vehicles communicate with the traffic systems, all of the intelligent transportation system devices, other vehicles, and the head-end control centers in nearly real time, allowing for safe and efficient navigation. Smart warehouses on the fixed end of the infrastructure are using IoT sensors, powered again by 5G, to automate inventory tracking and manage orders with greater accuracy. Drones and other ground-based mobile vehicles are also all equipped with 5G connectivity, and they're being deployed for delivery services in hard-to-reach areas and smaller areas, as in on sidewalks, for example, coordinating in real time with control centers to adjust for weather conditions and other environmental variables. These innovations are streamlining logistics operations, reducing costs, and truly setting new standards for efficiency. Now, of course, with any new technology, there are challenges. Transitioning to these new technologies is not without challenge. Infrastructure development in particular in rural and remote areas, is costly and does require significant investment. Companies like Swoop Aero, who we mentioned earlier, do operate in these regions, and they do depend on reliable 5G networks for drone deliveries And without the necessary infrastructure, these operations can be limited or, in fact, non-existent. Cybersecurity is another critical concern, as the increase in connected devices heightens the risk of data breaches. Ensuring that data transmitted between vehicles, warehouses, and the head end is secure is absolutely and 100% essential. Now, a lack of global standards for vehicle-to-everything, or sometimes known as V2X communications, also poses integration issues, as different regions and systems may not be fully compatible. There have been a number of standards efforts in this area, but they're not exactly all there yet. Now, the cost of upgrading fleets and warehouses to be 5G ready can also be prohibitive, particularly for smaller organizations. All of these challenges must truly be addressed to enable broader adoption of 5G and connected vehicles in the logistics domain. Of course, collaboration between governments, tech providers, logistics firms, and other related stakeholders is key to overcoming all of these obstacles. So what does the future look like? Well, as 5G networks continue to roll out, the logistics industry is likely to see further advancements in connected and autonomous vehicle operations. Self-driving trucks powered by 5G will communicate with the traffic network, other vehicles, and the ITS backbone and head end in real time. This connectivity, of course, improves safety, reduces accidents, and optimizes delivery routes, cutting down on fuel consumption and lowering costs. Predictive maintenance, as we discussed, will become a standard feature, with real-time data monitoring the health of vehicles, allowing logistics companies to address potential issues before they actually become an impactful problem. Drones and other robots will play a growing role in last-mile delivery, responding quickly to changes in demand and operating environments. Smart warehouses will gain full visibility of their stock, with automated systems ensuring that inventory levels are maintained and shipments are processed efficiently. The integration of 5G into logistics will lead to more responsive and cost-effective operations, giving companies that adopt these technologies a competitive edge in a rapidly changing and very competitive marketplace. So to remain competitive, logistics companies must prepare for the widespread adoption of 5G and connected vehicles. They should evaluate their current operations and identify areas where 5G could enhance efficiency, such as in fleet management, warehouse automation, and delivery services. Training employees to work with 5G-enabled systems will be crucial for ensuring a smooth transition. Collaboration with technology providers, particularly those developing autonomous vehicles and IoT solutions, will also be very important. Governments and regulatory bodies also need to continue their efforts to establish clear standards for vehicle-to-everything communication to ensure the secure and reliable operation of these connected systems. Companies that do invest in 5G technology now will likely be better positioned to meet the growing demands of e-commerce and consumer expectations for increasingly faster and more reliable deliveries. So, the future of logistics truly depends on how quickly companies can adopt and integrate 5G, along with the related connected vehicle and autonomous vehicle technologies that it in fact enables. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Sustainability Podcast, and we look forward to seeing you on another episode very soon.